Hey Tipsies, this is day one of, I just decided to do VLOGmas, so we gonna wing this thing. So when I say December 1st really crept up on me, it crept up on me. No plans, but in true Aquarius form, we're going to be innovative and we're gonna make something shake. So, we got a bracket! I only ordered one thing out of the Hanifa sale because I shop with Hanifa regularly, and I do catch a lot of the sales. And it was only one particular dress that it was sold out. So I was like, let me check and see if it'll come back in stock for the sale. So I got the early access, fell asleep waiting for the early access. So the next morning, it showed sold out. I said, oh, guess it's not meant for me to have it. All right, I needed a sip of my tea. 1 second. This is an eggnog dirty chai latte topped with maple cold foam. Really good. Really pretty. Really pretty. Really pretty. Oh, that's so good. Okay, yeah, so it was sold out. So I gave up. TikTok saw that, you know, everybody was talking about the Hanifa sale. Ran across the post. The girl had the dress in her cart showing like, oh, this is something I just got. I said, well, when did you get that? Because this morning it was show sold out. She's like, no, girl, it's back on stock. Ran, before I even comment, ran back to the Hanifa website. Yes, it was back on stock, but it was on pre-order to January the 6th. I guess we won't have to wait to January 6th, but it gets December 1st. And my package is here! So I know it's been a lot of rumbling going around about the Hanifa sizing, right? Getting the right size for your body type. So what I want to start doing is I want to make sure I'm sharing my body type when I'm sharing or wearing Hanifa. I don't know if I'm going to have time to try this on because I'm actually working. Maybe I will. So when I try it on, I'll share the sizes. Y'all ready? Drum roll, please. I've been wanting this dress. Wait a minute, before I show you. Now, I'm going to wear this dress. I just recently bought a dress maybe 2 months ago. No, the end of the summer for Hanifa that came back in stock and was on sale. And I had wanted that for like a minute. Haven't worn it yet. This is the dress. But I'm planning, baby. Birthdays, you know, big Aquarius season is coming up. So I like to be prepared. This is the dress. 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 Can you see? This is the dress. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look, guys, look. Can you see me at dinner on the beach, barefoot, feet in the sand? Now this is a large. Yeah, this is a large. Baby, and it don't got a lot of give. So after my last meeting, I'm going to try it on and I'll show you how it fits. But baby, do you see? Do you see the material? Do you see the material? I promise I'm going to do better tomorrow. But don't hold me to it. But I'm going to show it regardless. Bye.